everyone, for those of you who customize or modify your own clothing, we're going to use Minseo Coating Flex's soft PU products to create graphics on short-sleeve t-shirts for the upcoming summer. Let's get started and see what we can come up with. The first thing you'll need to do is edit a graphic on your computer in the style you want. You can draw your own creative images in your own style, but most of the time you'll be working with open source, which I recommend because it saves you a lot of time. You can also use them with copyright checks, or you can create a completely new design using only the sources. Alternatively, you can use one of the many production references to create a t-shirt with a similar look. Now that you've chosen the graphic design you want, you'll move the file to your cutting machine to actually cut it. Your cutting machine may be different from the program you're used to working with, so you'll need to specify the image size and cut position to suit your environment. Once the cutting arrangement is finalized, place the HTV to be cut in the cutting machine and press the Proceed button to start cutting. Once you have finished cutting, you check the number of pieces you want to make and get ready to start weeding. Weeding works carefully and slowly because when a mistake occurs, you have to work from the beginning again. You have to go through this much trouble to make your own unique outfit this summer, don't you? Still, failure is disheartening, so you'll slowly assemble it to ensure you can complete it in one go. Once the weeding is done, it's time to finally put the image on the short-sleeve t-shirt and press it on the press machine. You start by setting the temperature to 150 degrees Celsius and the timer to 10 seconds. Before using the press machine, first check if the HTV is positioned well when it is placed on top of the clothes. If the temperature reaches 150 degrees, place the image on a short-sleeved t-shirt and cover it with a Teflon sheet to protect the heat transfer vinyl from direct heat. Place the graphic in the checked position sequentially and press it for 10 seconds each. If you cool the heat and open the cover, you can see the finished graphic. How is it? It wasn't very difficult to make a short-sleeve DIY t-shirt for summer, right? If you can invest a short time to create clothes that you can wear only, we think you should make them and try them on. Enjoy this summer with DIY short-sleeve t-shirt featuring unique graphics that I make myself.